So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete sections in Duda website. So there's a few ways you can do this. So the first one we're going to talk about is going to be probably the easier one, which will be through layers. If you click on layers, if you open up one of the pages on your website builder and you want to delete sections, you can do it through here. If you click on layers, you can see all the sections that are given here and you can manually select them and actually remove them on here. So you can hide on this device. It doesn't have to be hidden, and through there you can just remove or delete sections. One other way you can do that is let's scroll down to a certain section. So all of these things that you can see which are differentiated between one and another with a line, they're called sections. So you can see here it says section. So if I click on this, it's going to open up the section setup or design. Now on here you can see design. I can move it down, move it up, I can duplicate it, I can clear all padding, so everything that's not the section is removed, and I can delete the section itself. So from here, once you click on that button, you will see this pop up. This will permanently delete the section and any design changes you made to it. If you're not sure whether or not you want to delete it, you can just cancel that for now. But once you are sure, you can just go ahead and press this, and you can see this section is no more. I've deleted that section, and I can go back and check the other sections on my website through here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.